Welcome to Beauty by B. Wanna get that stunning updo effortlessly. Beauty by B, watch the glow up begin. Twist it, flip it, donut bun win. Quick DIY, looking so sweet. Try this style, you'll turn the street. Like it, share it, drop a comment below. Follow Beauty by B for more hair glow. Grab that braiding hair, let's start the show. Tie it in a bun, watch the volume grow. Wrap it, twist it, make that donut round. Fluffy little halo sitting on your crown. Budget beauty looking super sweet. DIY magic, braiding hair donuts. Beauty by B, come make you glow. Natural hair looking luxury, you know. From roots to tips, we go they slay all day. Slay all day. Beauty by B, let's style your way. Beauty by B, come make you glow. Natural hair looking luxury, you know. Braiding hair, my secret weapon. Style is easy, no more stressing. Oh yeah, make you roll 'em up now. Get that perfect salon look now. It be DIY bun, yeah, yeah. Shine so bright for everyone. See the finishing touch, oh. Cost no be problem, we know the rush, oh. My odossi as he fine. My odossi as he fine. Sure. Yeah, Beauty by B. Hair glowing naturally. From roots to the crown, we shine so free. Wash day, braid day, twist it up right. Healthy hair shining in the sunlight. Growth tip styling every week. Beauty by B got the look you seek. From little curls to silky waves. Love your hair, be proud and brave. Beauty by B, come style with me. Natural glow for the world to see. Beauty by B, feel the vibe today. Healthy hair the easy way. For your hair, oh, yeah. Natural hair, she go teach you the way, oh. For your wigs and your growth, they no get to holla. Beauty by B, oh, Beauty by B. Like, follow, and subscribe, jar. Beauty by B, oh, Beauty by B. Make you share with your people, my love. Beauty by B. Yeah, Beauty by B. Hair glowing naturally. From roots to the crown, we shine so free. Wash day, braid day, twist it up right. Healthy hair shining in the sunlight. Growth tip styling every week. Beauty by B got the look you seek. From little curls to silky waves. Love your hair, be proud.